If you don't make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. That's the golden rule of wealth, and the key to unlocking it is by building assets. So, with that in mind, here are 15 assets that are making people rich and helping the wealthy get even richer. Number 1, real estate. Real estate has been one of the most trusted ways to build wealth for a long time. People buy homes, apartments, or even commercial buildings, then rent them out to others. Every month, they get paid rent, which adds up over time. The great thing about real estate is that, unlike some investments that can go down in value, property generally increases in worth as time goes on. This means that not only are you making money each month from rent, but when you're ready to sell, you could make a nice profit because the value of your property has grown. It's a long-term strategy that helps create steady cash flow and build wealth over time. Number 2, real estate investment trusts. Real estate is a great way to build wealth, but not everyone has the money to buy a house or a building. That's where real estate investment trusts come in with rates. You don't have to own physical property to make money from real estate. Instead, you can buy shares in a REIT, which works just like owning a piece of a big property portfolio. When the properties the REIT owns make money from rent, you get a share of that income, just like a landlord would. It's a simple way to invest in real estate without needing a lot of money or managing any property yourself. And it can help you earn passive income over time. Number 3, farmland. Farms aren't just places where food is grown. They can also be valuable assets that help people build wealth. Wealthy individuals often buy farmland because it generates income every year, either from selling crops or leasing the land to others. The best part is that farmland doesn't just make money now, but it also increases in value over time, meaning it can be sold for a profit later. Since food will always be in demand, farmland is seen as a safe, long-term investment that continues to grow in value, no matter what happens in the economy. It's a stable and reliable way to build wealth for the future. Number 4, stocks. When you own stocks, it means you own a small piece of a company. As the company grows, gets more customers, and makes money, your stock value increases as well. Some stocks are even better because they pay you dividends, which is extra money just for holding onto your shares. This makes stocks a great option for people who want to invest for the long term. The stock market is a favorite for many investors because over time, it can help grow your wealth. It's a way to earn money from companies that are doing well, while also building your financial future. Number 5, index funds. If picking individual stocks feels too risky for you, index funds offer a safer option. Think of an index fund like a big basket that holds many different stocks from different companies instead of putting your money into just one company and hoping it does well. With an index fund, your money is spread out across a wide range of companies. This way, you're not relying on just one company's success. Instead, you're investing in the entire market. Historically, the market has always gone up over time, making index funds a good choice for long-term growth. They're a great way to invest without putting all your eggs in one basket and help you build wealth with less risk. Number 6, intellectual property. Intellectual property like books, patents, and even YouTube videos can help you make money for years to come. Once you create something valuable, whether it's a book, an invention, or a video, you have the option to license it, sell it, or earn royalties every time someone uses it. This means that after the hard work of creating something, you can keep earning money without doing much more. That's why artists, inventors, and content creators can continue to make money even when they're not working. It's a powerful way to build wealth because your ideas and creations can generate income long after you've made them. Number 7, private equity. Private equity is how the ultra-rich make their investments work for them. Instead of buying stocks on the open market, they buy entire businesses or put their money into startups before they even go public. This strategy allows them to get in early when a company is still growing and hasn't yet made a big splash. If the company takes off and becomes successful, their small investment can turn into millions or even billions. It's a way to make money by helping companies grow, and with the right strategy and timing, it can lead to massive returns that change your financial future. Number 8, equipment. Owning equipment like farming machinery, machinery, vending machines, or laundromats can be a great way to make money passively. These assets work for you with little to no effort on your part. For example, vending machines make money every time someone buys a snack or drink. Laundromats bring in cash as people wash and dry their clothes. Farming machinery, like tractors or harvesters, can be rented out or used to grow crops, which can then be sold for profit. The best part is that these investments can generate a steady stream of income with hardly any effort at all, letting you build wealth over time. Number 9, people. The richest people don't just work harder. They work smarter by hiring the right people. They understand that investing in talented employees and building strong teams is key to success. By creating businesses that run on their own, without needing constant attention from them, they can focus on growing their wealth even more. But it's not just about having the right team at work. Knowing and connecting with valuable people outside of your business, like mentors, advisors, or successful business partners, can help you make smarter decisions and open doors to new opportunities. When you surround yourself with the right people, your money starts to work for you and multiplies without you having to do it all yourself. Number 10, digital products. Digital products are a great way to make money because they don't require storage, shipping, or restocking like physical products do. You can create things like online courses, ebooks, or software and sell them over and over again without ever running out of stock. This means once you create the product, you can continue to make money from it for as long as it stays in demand. The best part is that these products can reach people all over the world, allowing you to make a profit without having to worry about the usual challenges of selling physical items. This makes digital products one of the most profitable and low-maintenance assets you can own. Number 11, domain names. Owning a valuable domain name is like owning a piece of prime real estate. But online, some businesses are willing to pay millions of dollars just to get the perfect website name that fits their brand. The great thing about domain names is that once you buy one, you don't have to do anything except hold on to it until the right buyer comes along. It's like having something that's sitting there, increasing in value over time, and when the right company or person is looking for that perfect name, you can sell it for a big profit. This makes domain names a smart and easy asset to invest in without needing to put in a lot of effort. Number 12, art and collectibles. Art and collectibles are another way the wealthy build their wealth over time. Some paintings are sold for hundreds of millions of dollars, while things like cars, rare watches, and other collectibles can also increase in value by huge amounts. The key to making money with art and collectibles is knowing exactly what to buy and when to sell it. It's not about buying just anything. It's about finding the right pieces that will become more valuable in the future. The rich treat high-end art and rare items as long-term investments, meaning they hold on to them for years and only sell when the value has grown enough to make a large profit. This type of investment may take time, but it can pay off big when you choose the right pieces. Number 13, brand. The wealthiest people know that their brand is one of the most valuable assets that set them apart from others in their field, whether it's a personal brand or a business brand. Building trust and recognition is key. When people trust you, they're more likely to buy from you, invest in your ideas, or recommend your products or services to others. A strong brand can help you stand out in a crowded market, attract loyal customers, and create long-term value. It takes time and effort to build a brand, but once it's established, it becomes an asset that continues to generate income and increase in value as more people recognize and connect with it. Having a strong brand isn't just about what you sell, it's about who you are, what you stand for, and how people feel when they interact with you. Number 14, time. Time is hands down the most valuable asset of all, and it's something that once lost, you can never get back. The wealthiest people understand this better than anyone, which is why they don't spend their time working non-stop like most of us do. Instead, they spend their time on things that help them grow even richer. They find ways to buy back their time by outsourcing tasks that don't require their personal attention, automating streams of income so that money comes in even when they're not working, and focusing only on activities that will bring them the highest returns. By using their time wisely, they free themselves up to do what matters most, which is investing in their future and creating more opportunities to build wealth. Number 15, health. What's the point of being rich if you can't enjoy the fruits of your hard work because you're too sick to do so? That's why the wealthiest people make their health a top priority. They understand that taking care of their bodies is just as important as making money, if not more. Eating a balanced diet and making time for relaxation to reduce stress. They can enjoy their wealth for many years to come. They know that good health allows them to live a long life, which means they'll have more time to enjoy the things they've worked so hard to achieve. Investing in health is an investment in happiness, freedom, and the ability to make the most of the life they've built. These 15 assets we just broke down are your ticket to security, peace of mind, and true, lasting wealth. But before you jump in, the first important step is knowledge. You need to analyze which asset is best for your situation and focus on one at a time. If you don't have the money to invest yet, start by building your foundation by increasing your income, controlling your spending, and saving. Once you're ready, you can begin investing. And don't worry, the asset stage will come. As long as you follow the right plan and stay consistent, you'll get there. Now, check out the video that just popped up on your screen where I share 15 habits that quietly wealthy people use to build real wealth and live life on their own terms.